If you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please check out my other videos. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be doing another cartridge filter cleaning. This is going to be a hayward, and it's going to be a swing cleaner. So I'm going to get started. I don't have a lot of time to do this, but I'm going to just show you what to do. You're going to need a 3/4 inch socket, okay, and we'll use a flathead screwdriver and a rubber mallet. So we're going to come in here and we're going to hit the service mode. Okay, we want that to shut off. Okay, so once that's shut off, what we're going to do is I'm going to use the air bleed. This is right here. This is going to bleed the air. Okay. I'm gonna wait just a little bit to let that pressure come. You can also open the lid right here, but that's pretty much, just wanna open that up. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start loosening this. These are a lot more easy than the cleaning clear that you saw me do in my last video. So I am gonna need 2 hands to hold this right here, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we have those 2 parts off. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna separate this. And I usually use a flathead screwdriver. Okay, see how easy that was. Okay, so you're just gonna take the flathead screwdriver again, and we're just going to do that. It's gonna fall off. Just wanna be careful that nothing breaks, okay? And then here, I'm just going to lift up, take it right off. So that's as simple as that is. I'm gonna sit this lid right here. And then we have the air bleed screen. You wanna make sure that this is here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to have to put the phone down. Be right back. Okay, so we're just gonna lift up on this. I had to stop the video, and you're just gonna pull that up. Remember the positioning. Okay, so we're gonna be putting it back just like this, just like that. So I'm gonna put it over here, out of the way. I'm gonna take these out. And I'm going to probably just set them right here. And I'm gonna start cleaning them, and then I'll be right back. Then what you're going to want to do is take a pair of channel locks, and what we're going to do is I'm going to loosen this up so it'll drain. Oh, yeah. Right, so we're going to be draining the bad water that's in there. And I am going to hose that out before I'm done. I'm going to get all that bad water out of there. If you look down in here, you'll see all kinds of dirt. And if you don't do that, it will just stay trapped in there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to wash this inside out. So all that debris will go out the pipe. It'll go out right here. Alright, once that gets done, then I will start putting these filters back. Okay, so now we're going to put the plug back. I'm going to tighten that down really snug. Okay, so we have the filters back and everything's clean. And now I'm just going to take the top part here, fit in each of these, and there is a pipe here. If you notice here, there's a pipe, so you're going to want that. You're going to want this pipe to be down on it. You want it seated properly. So just make sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a rubber mallet here and just tap it. You definitely don't want to crack it though. Once I have that secured, then what we're going to do is we are going to put the lid back on. That's right here. I'm just going to take the lid. I'm going to set it on here. If the O-ring is dirty, you want to clean it. So if the O-ring in here is dirty, you're going to want to clean it. Okay, so then we're going to grab the band clamp and I'll put that on real quick. Just make sure it's sealed all the way around. It's pretty simple. These are a lot less work than the cleaning clears. So you're just going to want to tighten this down, but I'm going to have to hold it with two hands because you want to hold the bolt. So let me do that. So now I'm going to tighten this down, and I usually just use the rubber mallet and I go around the sides, kind of tapping it. So I'm going to be doing that, but let me just tighten this up. I'm going to get it good and snug, and then I'll be right back again. Take the rubber mallet. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to keep this open. I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on. Okay, now you're going to come over here. And as soon as this starts spraying water out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this valve, and I'm also going to be checking for leaks around the band clamp. It's really important that it does not leak. So right now it's just getting a prime here. This is going to start filling up. And also I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay, so I'm back. I had to do some adjustments using the rubber mallet, going around. There was a couple of leaks, and I wanted to make sure that they were gone. So I just used this, tapped it around the band clamp, and then just tightened it down more. So don't want any leaks at all. That will not be good. So hope you like this video. If you like videos like this, please check out all my other ones. And I do hope to give a lot of good content out this year. Okay, and so here, this is going to show you what the pressure is. So right here, probably at about 9, close to 10. It's hard to see. Maybe right at 10. I'm going to twist this. And when that gets to about 10 psi, when it gets to the red, it's going to need to be cleaned again. So just wanted to show you that. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.